Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to bold text on a Facebook post. So if you want to type bold text on a Facebook post, here is how to do it. So first open up facebook.com, then create a Facebook post like you would regularly do, and then just add the post you want to share on Facebook. And once you added the post, what you have to do is copy the text you want to bold on the Facebook post. So let's say I want to bold this part of my Facebook page post. Then go to a website called 𝐤𝐴𝐺𝐿. I will link it in the description below. And all we have to do is paste the copied text on the left here, and 𝐤𝐴𝐺𝐿 will generate us a lot of type of bold text. As you can see, we have bold, sans serif, italic bold, medieval bold, double stroke blocks, and a lot of other you can check out here. And if you like one of these bold texts, let's say I like this one, then all I have to do is go back to the Facebook page post and paste it into the post. And as you can see, the difference can be clearly seen that this is a bolded text post and this is a not bolded text. And once you have bolded any kind of text on the Facebook post you want to bold, just click on post. And if we check out this post on our Facebook page, we can see that this one is definitely a bolded text, while this one is not.